Hi everybody, you're watching India Waves and making waves on airwaves.
Now we'll change the gear a little bit. We're in greatest democracy, and of course 4th of July is right around the corner. It's time for celebration, and we understand your fans have the opportunity to reach you in person, meet you in person in Silicon Valley on July 3rd.
Yeah, I've come and performed here, and I've had great experiences working especially with Deepak. He's an old friend, and I was here and he came down to see me, and I said, listen, we can't do a show. I have a shoulder injury, so I can't dance and jump around at this point of time. I haven't been able to even bring a show to America. I had a spinal surgery, now the shoulder one, then work, and I do try to bring a lot of quality entertainment through Deepak's company and all over the other promoters in America. So I've not been able to do that, but I was here, and he just said, like, listen, let's have a get together where you can just drop in for a while and chat and meet all the people, and it'd be nice because I've been here and I feel a lot of warmth from all the people from the whole of subcontinent here in the hotel, in the lobby where we are shooting. And as I'm growing older, I just feel a lot of love for people who've given me so much. So this gives me an opportunity to just come and say hello to everyone and chat a bit, take a few photographs and go back, because I'm in the middle of shoot, so I can't really go out and perform. But I'd like to return that warmth with a nice big thank you to everyone and say hello. Hi everybody, I'm Shah Rukh Khan. Let's celebrate the spirit of freedom on the 3rd of July, going into the 4th of July in San Jose Fairmont Hotel, 8 p.m. onwards, with all of you and me. Please be there on the 3rd of July, 8 p.m. onwards at the Fairmont Hotel in San Jose, and it'll be really nice. I'd like to come and say hello to all of you.
You're here with your family on vacation as well, simultaneously while you're shooting?
Yeah, the kids have vacation. I normally try to do a long outdoor only if the kids are on holiday, and this is like a home production. So, it's like my own film, so it's very easy for them to be with me. But they're here for a few days, then they go back, because I think I need to get back to work. I take a few days extra off when they're here, so I need to get back to work, and they'll be going back in a few days. But it's been nice that they're here.
So you say a few days, does it mean would the audience be able to see you and your family together on the day, that's 3rd of July?
No, they haven't yet turned actors, so they don't, they won't come. They'll be gone by then.
Right. Nevertheless, we'll have you there. Now, since your fans are watching you right now, what message would you like to pass? And they're ardent fans in San Francisco.
No, I always say this. Thank you very much for giving me so much love. And actually, I say this very humbly and with full heart, that I know the reason I am who I am is because of all of you. And it's unfortunate at times that I can't get to see you or talk with you. And it's really impossible sometimes to meet every one of you. But given an opportunity like this, like Deepak has created on the 3rd of July at Fairmont in San Jose, 8 p.m. onwards actually, because I'll finish shoot and try and drop in and hang around with you guys and chat a bit. So all I can say is thank you very much for giving me so much happiness, so much love, and I wish you all the happiness, all the goodness that the world has to offer, and do well in whatever you're doing, and keep smiling. दिल अपने फिर थामे आया हूँ लेकर मैं फिर कितने हंगामे जरा देखो कौन आ गया है जमाने पे जो छा गया है जमी किस पे है सब निगाहें खुली किसकी खातिर है बाहें
You are an achiever. Today you have created niche for yourself. Let's say if Allah, Bhagwan or God appears in front of you and says, Shah Rukh, मांगो तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए? What will you ask for?
I don't know, it would be honestly to say that if I ask Allah or God or Bhagwan for anything, would either be greedy or ungrateful. I think He's given me more than I deserve. He's given me a lot more happiness perhaps a person like me deserves. That's why I try to keep working harder. So at the end of the career, or at the end of the day, I believe that I deserved all that has been given to be my God. And so I won't ask anything. I think every parent would do that. I would just ask for health and happiness for my children. That's all.
All I can say is God bless you. Thank you so much for your time.
तुझको पहचान लो